Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atira binti Jamaluddin with the student ID 582201235152 from Bachelor of Technology Management. Today, I will present my final year project 1 titled A Study on the Readiness of a Higher Education Organization to Implement Artificial Intelligence in Human Resource Management. Okay, so this is table of content. For this presentation, I will briefly explain the introduction, problem statement, project objective, scope and limitations, literature review, methodology, expected outcome, project timeline, conclusion and references. This is chapter 1, introduction. Okay. Artificial intelligence or AI is widely used today for support digital transformation, including in higher education. In HRM, AI helps by automating routine tasks, improving efficiency, and supporting decision making. However, HR operations in higher education are complex and involve many staff, systems, and procedures. Because of this, AI adoption does not depend on technology alone, but strongly depends on organization readiness. Therefore, this study focuses on assessing readiness first before AI is implemented. Okay, so this is the problem statement. There are three main problems addressed in this study. First, many institutions do not conduct structured readiness assessment before adopting AI. This may lead to poor planning and ineffective implementation. Second, HR staff may lack digital competency and preparedness to use AI-based systems. This can reduce confidence and slow adoption. Third, there is uncertainty in selecting suitable AI tools that match the organization's readiness level. These issues show why readiness assessment is necessary. For the project objective, the study has three clear objectives. First, to identify the current readiness level of the organization in adopting AI for HRM. Second, to assess HR staff digital competency, preparedness, and openness toward AI adoption. Third, to analyze HR needs and recommend suitable AI tools based on their readiness level. Next is scope and limitation. This study focuses on one higher education institution, which is UniKL Midi. It will examine AI readiness in HRM only without implementing any AI system. As for limitations, the findings are limited to one institution and responses will depend on staff awareness and understanding. The study will focus on readiness and not on AI system performance. Okay, so let's move to chapter 2, literature review. Okay. Previous studies shows that AI can improve HR efficiency, accuracy, and decision making. However, many studies focus on private organizations, while higher education HR readiness is less studied. Some studies also discuss AI benefits but do not measure readiness clearly. Okay, so this gap supports the need for this study, especially in a higher education context. Okay, this is chapter 3, methodology. This is a methodology overview. The study uses a quantitative approach with a descriptive survey design. The study setting is at UniKL Midi and the respondents are UniKL Midi employees who are involved in or exposed to HR-related processes. Data is collected using a structured questionnaire and analyzed using SPSS. The analysis focuses on mean scores, standard deviation, and reliability to assess readiness level. Okay, this is chapter 4, expected outcome. The expected outcome of the study are to identify unique LMD AI readiness level in HRM, to understand HR staff digital competency and preparedness, to identify HR functions suitable for AI support, and to provide AI recommendations aligned with readiness level. These outcomes will support future AI planning in HRM. Okay, so this is the project flow for the study. First is identification of research problem and objective. Second, literature review and framework development. 3, questionnaire design. 4, distribution to UNIKL media employees. 5, data collection and screening. 6, data analysis using SPSS. And 7, interpretation and recommendations. Okay, so this is the Gantt chart for FYP1. The Gantt chart shows the timeline for FYP1 covering Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3, as well as FYP draft report submission, FYP1 presentation, and FYP1 final report and logbook submission. I also include Gantt chart FYP2, which covers Chapter 4, Chapter 5, and the final presentation and report submission. This will ensure the project is completed systematically and on time. Next slide is a conclusion. Even AI has strong potential to improve HRM. Its success will depend on organizational readiness, especially in higher education. The study provides a structured readiness assessment for UNIKL LMD, focusing on organization readiness and HR staff preparedness. And the findings are expected to support and inform decision-making for future AI adoption. These are the references used in the study. Okay, that is all for my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention.